Crikey, it's February already. It's very much time to start turning my attention to the garden and what we'll be growing in 2021. We have a small plot but big ambitions to grow more of our own fruit and veg this year. For us, it's about balancing the space. It needs to be a pleasant place to be, especially since we're spending so much time at home. It needs to be practical for the children to play in, kicking footballs and riding bikes about. It needs to be a welcoming home and sanctuary to wildlife, and it needs to offer space so we can grow our own. This all puts pressure on those spots that get full sun, so one job this year is to repurpose an area I made for a bit of fun a couple of years ago. I call it my Wild West garden, and it was supposed to be my little bit of American cowboy town in southern England. It's a nice spot to sit in the summer, gently rocking, surrounded by long grass. The problem is, it occupies a prime spot in the garden that is ideal for growing veg, so I need to get the tape measure out, do some drawings, then start cutting wood and making some raised beds. Another job I need to finish is my homemade cold frame. I'm still yet to build the lid. We're thinking of using some clear plastic sheeting secured in a frame on hinges. It's a job I keep putting off, but having it finished will be really useful once the seedlings are ready to go outside. Right, seeds. For that, let's dive into my Notion. I'll head over to Garden and check out what seeds I have in stock. Here they all are, a mix of fruit, vegetables and flowers. I can click on one and see some useful information I've prepared. It would be great if my carrots turned out like that. Let me check my sowing list, a bespoke view I've created in my database. You can check how I set this up by clicking the link at the top of your screen. Here are my seeds and the months I need to sow them. I've colour-coded the months so it's grey for winter, green for spring, yellow for summer and red for autumn. So here's what needs to get started soon. Carrot, Helleborus, strawberry, radish, gypsophila, verbena and poppies. Now we are in February, so I need to start some of these in the next few weeks, which means I should really crack on with the cold frame and Wild West veg plot. It's been snowing here recently, fantastic as we rarely get snow much anymore. The kids loved it. Lots of buds and new life sprouting up everywhere as well, so it does very much feel that despite the grey skies there is sunshine and fun in the garden on the horizon. Right, time to go and measure up and take a closer look at all these winter jobs. The plan is to bring you along this year, in the hope it will motivate us to keep on top of things. This isn't a Notion channel, but I'm still using the app daily and I keep finding new and exciting ways to use it to help with new and ongoing projects. I'm sure I'll be sharing those in the future. Please like, comment and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.